Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. This video is for the divine feminines already in communication with their divine masculines. Either spiritual communication or the physical communication, both are same in this context. Now, if you're wondering when is your divine masculine going to come in his purposefully, or they're struggling in the career, or they're struggling to understand what is their path, this message is for you. You need to let go any idea of revolving around how a certain divine masculine is, how the divine masculine is, should be. Okay, and set it free in God's love. Set it free because um, let them, when you let go and surrender fully, it will give them the energetic space to come on that path. If you are already have surrendered and you're just praying, in the process of praying that okay, I've surrendered, I allow my divine masculine to show up in the way they truly are as a soul, and I'm just happy to accept the mere presence of the soul, then you will create the energetic space for their true coming, homecoming within their purpose. And you can do some purpose activations for them. How you can do this, you do not need any healer, although you can optionally seek one, but you can do the purpose activation just through affirmation with higher self. Just this one would make a ton of difference in their life, and the stress would start to fade away, on their face, because the stress they are having is not the stress of finding out merely, it's also the stress of expectation that the society has put, and even we are sometimes as a divine feminine carry certain judgments that divine masculine should be a certain way. So when the society says that the divine masculine should be earning this much, or in this kind of profession, or you have this in your head, it creates a lot of insecurity inside them, even though they themselves also carry the same. When you release this from your end, it will give them a lot of divine, and from your end, when you start to give that divine love, it will shift their frequency. They will receive a lot of spiritual strength. Feed the energy with faith, trust, and divinity rather than concern, lack, insecurity. That will make a world of difference, and that will make you a more honest divine feminine, grounded in divinity. Thank you.